Step 1. Select the Star tool from the Rectangle tool options and click Set Radius 1 to 200 pixels, Radius 2 to 100 pixels, and Points to 3. Step 3. Keep everything the same, but change Radius 2 to 5 pixels and click OK. Step 4. Use the Align tool to align the shape properly. Step 5. From the Pathfinder panel, select the Divide tool. Step 6. Right-click and choose Ungroup. Finally, apply any colors you like to give it a 3D look. Step 8, and if you want, you can also change the colors of the pattern. Use any colors you like. Thanks for watching.